Hey there, traders. Welcome back to forexprogram.com. I'm Valentine, your host for today's insightful discussion. We have a special guest joining us for an exclusive interview. Get ready to gain insider knowledge, learn proven strategies, and discover the secrets to trading success. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this insightful conversation with our guest trader. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. Let's turn our attention to our guest for today, Kirk. Kirk has a 25K funded account. Let's give a warm welcome to him and dive right in. Kirk, please introduce yourself to our YouTube community.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Kirk by name, and I'm from Nigeria. And I have a 25K dollar funded account from Forex prop.
Okay, nice, Kirk.
Right.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, I started trading like a year and a half ago, 1 year and a half ago. That was 2022. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So you've been trading for 1.5 years now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Would you consider yourself a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader?
I'll consider myself in between a scalper and a day trader.
Okay, nice. What are your most favorite trading pairs?
Gold.
Gold. So you only focus on gold, or is there anything else you're trading?
Yes, I majorly focus on gold. Sometimes maybe when I feel the pressure, I might just slide to maybe GBP USD. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What are your most favorite trading pairs besides? So you told me gold, and sometimes you're trading GU, right?
Yes.
And that's all you focus on.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So briefly describe your trading plan to us.
Okay. Should I talk about my strategy?
Yes.
Okay. First, I use the smart money concept, and I blend it with the engulfing pattern strategy. Yeah, that's my strategy, and
Okay.
my risk. Can I?
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. And my risk to reward is nothing less than a 1-to-2 ratio. Yeah.
Okay.
1-to-2 ratio.
Okay, nice. And what is it especially that you're looking for? As you said, you're trading SMC with blending it with an engulfing candle. What is it really that you're looking for when you're on the charts? So tell us about what is it that you're focusing on when you're coming to the charts and looking to trade something?
Okay, when I come to the chart, the first thing I check is I look for zones from the previous data. Yeah, I just look to the left of my chart in the daily time frame. I start from the daily time frame usually. So if I can get another block on the daily time frame, then I mark out that zone and wait till whenever price gets back to that place. Now I wait for the reaction, maybe on my 1 hour or my 15 minutes time frame, to see if there will be a rejection. So that rejection should give me another block. After giving me another block, then I wait for a retracement back to maybe a fair value gap or back to the other block itself. Then I short or long position. That was the major things I look for on the chart.
Okay. And are you looking for the entry on the lower time frame, or are you entering off of the daily time frame as well?
I enter my trade from the 15 minutes time frame. And sometimes if I want to scalp, maybe the setup is not coming, and I tend to go to the 1 minute time frame to check for some entries. Yeah.
Okay. So you're looking for the zones on the higher time frame, and the entry is then on the M15 or the M1.
Yeah.
Okay. And what sessions are you focusing on?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
which sessions are you trading? Is it London? Is it New York? Or what are you
Yeah.
focusing on especially?
Okay, I trade because Nigerian time we just the normal working days. We wake up with the London session. That's 8 to 1. Then I trade London and UK session. I start looking for opportunities from the London to the UK session, from the London to the US session rather.
Okay, so somewhere in between, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Now tell us a little bit about your trading history and your trading journey that you've been on the last 1.5 years.
Okay. First, I got introduced by a friend. Yeah, a friend introduced me, and because before now I didn't believe in anything online. I didn't believe money could be made really legitly online. So he introduced and gave me some materials to read, introduced me to smart money concept, and the journey has been rough actually. It has not been easy. Even till now, it's still kind of rough. Sometimes you lose your discipline, you lose focus on the road, and you end up having some mistakes. So it has been a rough journey, but we're still on it. I'm still on it actually, and I keep learning every day and watching videos, learning every day, and making sure I improve on my strategy and keeping to that strategy because that's very important.
Yeah.
Keeping to that strategy is something very hard. So that discipline is something very hard. You just don't know when you lose focus. It is after you must have lost a lot of money. That's when you remember that I didn't keep to my discipline. So that's just my journey thus far.
Yeah, of course. In my opinion, it's really important to stick to one thing because at the end of the day, if you look to the left and the right, there will always be other traders that are going to have a better return on investment or more profits or whatever. But if you're focusing on one thing and then another thing and really are not 100% focused on one thing, you're not going to make it in trading because your trading strategy may be different than mine. And if I am now focusing on your trading strategy, I won't be as profitable as you are. You know what I mean? And that is the important thing that I always talk about, to only focus on your journey, your own thing, focus on most of the times one mentor, learn from them, and then keep your strategy and even refine it more.
Yeah.
What is your mentor and where did you learn the smart money concepts from?
Okay. First, it was introduced to me by my friend. Then his mentor, who is Solomon Kings, uh, one of the traders in Nigeria. Solomon Kings, he breaks down the smart money concept to us here in Nigeria. And also there is someone I'm usually following. He trade gold strictly. It goes by the name Black Sheep. Yeah, yeah. So is the most recent I'm following that I follow now. Check out his what he sees on the chart and why he's doing some things, why he's taking some trade and why he's going out of the trade. And he do explain a lot about how he does these things.
Okay, nice. Um, you're trading since 1.5 years. Since when are you profitable out of these 1.5 years?
Um, Being profitable has not been consistent, to be sincere. The 25K dollar account, I initially wanted to make the profit because I passed the first phase, the second phase. But when I got to the funded account, I got scared and I didn't trust my strategy again. I will see some setup and I just ignored them because I was too scared to lose the money. I was very scared to lose the money because that was the one opportunity I have to just like get real money for the first time from my trading. But till now, I'm still trying to build up on being profitable.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think there are different things that every one of us needs to face in order to become profitable. But I think the 25K account for you now is the first step on your way to really becoming profitable, making good money. Um, You told us about your trading history. Could you maybe share a journey that you faced on the way? It could maybe be something positive or even something negative that you faced on the way.
Can you explain further, please?
Okay, so you're trading since 1.5 years.
Yeah.
Have you faced any negative things that you needed to overcome in order to be profitable, or it can be something positive as well? It can be something positive as well that you've learned on your journey in the 1.5 years.
Yeah. Both positive and negative. Because
Okay.
at first when it's mostly happens to a lot of traders or newbies in trading. They think trading is get rich quick scheme. Then
Yeah.
come with the thinking of just make a blast and go away, come back again and make another blast and go away. But no, one fact one needs to accept is that trading is a game of winning and losing. There will surely be losing and there will surely be winning rather. You win and you lose. The only thing that everyone learns how to do, even the most profitable traders learns how to do is making sure that they maximize their winnings and minimize their losings. Like they take the maximum profit from their winning trade and they know how to cut their losses when they are on the wrong side of the trade. Yeah. So it has been negative and positive, but trying to balance it and making sure that the positive are better than the negative is a big deal about trading.
Yeah, I think the most important thing is to really learn out of the things that you did wrong on your way and to really take these as learning lessons. And even it's the same as in trading. If you have a loss, you really need to study that loss. Why has the loss occurred and what did cause the loss to happen to you? Because at the end of the day, this will be the best teacher and the best mentor for yourself. It's always the market, and always take the best out and take it as learning opportunities to go even farther. And in my opinion, trading is one of the best careers where you're going to learn so much about yourself, your emotions, and your psychology, because you really need to dive deep into yourself and what really drives you and motivates you. So, really important to focus on the negative things as well and to learn out of them.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. How did you manage your risk to align with your personality?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
How did you manage your risk to align with your personality? So how do you manage your risk to keep it in check with you as a person, with your emotions and stuff like that?
Okay. Most times I try to, when I place a trade, because the temptation to always take profit before the trade hits your profit is more likely than you waiting for your stop loss. So sometimes I do leave my phone because I trade on my phone. So I I try to leave it. I off my data and keep it somewhere far away. Let the trade just play on its own. Let's see what comes out instead of checking it and sticking to. You feel tempted not to wait until you get your take profit. So sometimes I leave my phone away from me. Yeah, that was one thing. And always make sure when I wake up, I analyze the chart. And along the day, there are a lot of distraction from some mentors, some mentors that some professional traders. You feel distracted. Maybe maybe my bias is a buy today, and all of a sudden I saw my mentor saying his bias is a sell, and I feel tempted. Oh, my mentor is better than me. Let me just forget my own bias and follow his own bias. So I try to just stay away from my phone, from the internet for the time being when my trade is playing.
Yeah, that's really important. In my opinion, what I did on my journey, I had my mentor, and what I did was I did my own analysis in the morning, and in the evening I came back to check out what my thought process was, and after that, I checked what my mentor was saying about the bias. If I were different from my mentor, then I knew, okay, what did he make different? And I learned from them. But if you're checking your mentor immediately after you wake up, you're most likely going to take their bias. And sometimes they are wrong as well. That is the thing, because not everyone is 100% right. There is no 100% accuracy. So even the mentor, if it's a really good trader, is going to make a mistake and is going to misread a bias. And that is the thing. Just focus on yourself and really compare it after you acted on that. Because let's say you're focusing on GBP USD to buy it on, let's say, today, right? And your mentor, as you just said, is going to tell you to sell it. If you're watching what your mentor is doing while you're in a GU buy, you will think about what did I do wrong, or why has he this bias? And then you're questioning yourself. Maybe you're even going to collapse your trade. And that is a thing that happened to me really often, that I just listened to the opinion of other people, collapsed my trade. And at the end of the day, it turned out to, it would be a profit if I would have just leave the trade alone and not listen to other people. And that is the most important thing, in my opinion. Focus on your own journey. Don't look to the left and the right, and only learn from your mentors, but don't focus on them only. Okay, what is the risk that you're typically using when you're taking a trade?
One is to risks.
Okay, yeah,
And
that's the risk to reward. And what are you risking from your account? What percent size? 0.5 or 1?
yeah, okay. Based on my daily drawdown, I divide into 10. If I'm trading a $100 account, I'll divide into 10. 10 divided by 100 divided by 10 will be $10 per trade. So the risks I calculated to make sure that it is no more than $10. I'm risking nothing less than nothing more than $10 per trade. So it gives me 10 opportunities on that account. So that means
Okay.
I need to lose 10 straight trade before I before I need to the account.
Okay, nice. Do you follow a daily trading routine? Is there something that you're doing before you step on the charts and do your analysis in the morning?
I didn't get that, sorry.
Is there something that you're doing before you are going to step to the charts? Because some people, they are meditating, whatever. They are just doing something to really get their habits to get into the zone of trading.
Okay. I'm a Christian. When I wake up in the morning, I always pray and believe God should take control of the day. Nothing much. Yeah. Just pray in the morning, then check the charts, then go out for my work. Because I'm not a full-time trader yet, but I'm looking forward to be one. Yeah.
Okay, nice. The last question is going to be, what recommendations do you have for someone that is just starting out with trading?
Okay. The first thing is you can make legit money online. That's a fact. But trading is not. This is another fact you should have in mind. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. If you come with that idea, you are definitely going to go back losing. And also, you have to accept that trading is a win and lose game. There's no way you have 100% winning rate. It's not possible. It is not possible. It is not exaggeration. It is not possible for you to have a 100 winning trade. So you must be willing to take the losses and also maximize your winnings. And always stick to it. First, get a strategy. Yes, get a working strategy. After that, then you stick to it. If you are able to stick to it, as easy as it sounds, they are very hard. But it can take a year plus to master these skills. So just have a strategy. make sure you learn how to stick to it. Because you are definitely going to learn. It will not jump on you. You have to learn how to stick to your plans and to your risk to reward, to your risk management and the likes. And no matter how good your strategy is, when you don't manage your fund properly, you are definitely going to blow that account. Because the day you decide to go all in on a signal or on a bias, that's when the bias will go against you. So just stick to your plan, and your risk to reward is very important.
Okay, nice. That was some great points. Thank you so much, Kirk, for sharing your valuable insights and experiences with us today. And to our viewers, if you found this interview helpful and informative, be sure to check out more content like this on the forexpropfirm.com YouTube channel. Once again, thank you, Kirk, and thank you to all of our viewers for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest interviews and trading insights. Until next time, happy trading.